Yo, what's up everyone? I'm Vosk and you're on the VoskCoin YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I buy and sell cryptocurrency. Specifically, I'm going to be talking about the big two. That's going to be Bitcoin and Ethereum, and one of the best cryptocurrency exchanges for a US citizen. I'm also going to show you how you can just simply click our link and sign up and then buy or sell $100 of crypto, and you will be rewarded with $10 in Bitcoin for free. The summary is, who doesn't like a good exchange for US citizens? They also have free wire transfers, which is like really cool and not a normal feature even for smaller transfers. Okay, also tails, our beautiful Shiba Inu. Well, we introduced her to a little baby rabbit we found in our backyard yesterday, so that was fun. That was a cool experience. And we are so close to 100,000 subscribers. So one, thank you so much to all of you that keep coming back, watching our videos. Thank you so much to everyone who subscribes to our stuff. Right now, we are pumping out a video every single freaking day. So it's a lot of work. So really awesome to just see that any of you guys care about the videos to any extent. So if you don't mind, if you could just smash that subscribe button, that would mean everything. So today we're going to be talking about Gemini cryptocurrency exchange, but I forgot to roll the intro, so here it is. So yeah, who doesn't love free crypto? You can smash the link. We both get $10 for free in crypto, so that's cool. And you indirectly support the VoskCoin YouTube channel, which is always awesome and super helpful. Once you click the link, you can you get linked here. You can sign up on your desktop, or they have a mobile app. So real quick, what is the Gemini cryptocurrency exchange? Well, it was started by the Winklevoss twins. Long story short is they were early investors into cryptocurrency. They've made a killing very clearly, and they started the Gemini crypto exchange. The Gemini zodiac sign, which would be the twins, which is why they're twins. So yeah, that's the whole thing. It's actually kind of clever if you really think about it. Right now, they trade several cryptocurrencies: Bitcoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin, ChainLink, Zcash, Basic Attention Token, Dai, Orchid, and then their stablecoin, the Gemini Dollar. So half of those coins are basically recent additions. So I personally think it's really cool that they are adding more and more cryptocurrencies to their exchange. You're probably wondering, well, can I even sign up, and is it relevant to me? Right now, they service customers in 49 states, Washington, D.C., Puerto Rico, Australia, Canada, Hong Kong, Singapore, South Korea, the UK, and several or a bunch of other international countries there. So basically a lot of options, and they're based out of New York. And I know people in New York always have a hard time with cryptocurrency exchanges, but they support New York because they're in New York. So that's kind of cool. If you're wondering about their Gemini Dollar, it's an ERC20 token. It's a stable coin that's basically a stable coin built on top of Ethereum, like most of the stable coins are, and it is backed 1-to-1 with US dollars. Also, I would like to thank today's video sponsor, Crypto.com. With them, you can get $50 in cryptocurrency by signing up with them. They would essentially be a competitor to Gemini, and I'm not here to like make a comparison video today or anything like that, but basically if you join their platform and you stake 50 of their coins, you will get rewarded with $50, and so do we. So that's kind of a big benefit here, and it'd be super awesome if you, again, indirectly support us in that manner. The staking platform they have is super cool. So basically you can put your MCO, which is their coin, or their Crypto.com coin, or Basic Attention Token, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple, Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin, EOS, Binance Coin, Tezos, ChainLink, Stellar, USD Coin, Cosmos, or Maker on their platform, and earn this interest just by leaving it there and locking it up for either 1 month, 3 months, or they have a couple terms shorter than that. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into today's video. Again, we're going to be reviewing Gemini Exchange, and to be forward, to save the climactic ending here, we're big fans of the Gemini Exchange. The wiring in and out free of charge is very, very cool. Once you're logged in, you'll be met with this option. Really, first things first, you're going to need to get some cryptocurrency or dollars into their exchange. So obviously you can deposit USD currencies, or currency. USD is a single fiat currency, and from here you can do an ACH transfer. You obviously got to go through a KYC with them to be able to do this stuff, but you'll get cleared for varied amounts to it's basic bank transfer in, or you can do a wire transfer, and that's going to be available the same day. And I'll show you how to withdraw here in a little bit, but it's super easy. I've got some cryptocurrency in here, and so I'm just going to show you the basics of well, selling that. So right now we've got 0.007 Bitcoin. Well, actually, good point. How'd that even get there, right? Well, let's go to transfer. We'll go to this option again, and we'll go Bitcoin. Click continue, and from here it will generate an address for you. If you don't want to deal with BC1 addresses, you can click this, and it will generate a address for you right there. So all you have to do is take this, send your Bitcoin, and it will go into your account, and you'll be credited with that. Once, this will take maybe 30 minutes, an hour, depending on the Bitcoin blockchain and how fast they credit your account. From there, it will then be available for trading on their platform. So I can come over here and I can take my Bitcoin amount and I can put it right here, and I could sell it just at the current value. We can see the order book. This isn't going to be a trading tutorial, and while I try to do my best with cryptocurrency trading, this isn't one of those professional like trading guru channels and all that BS. Just to make a quick sale here, we can see it trending down at the very snapshot moment. So we'll put it at 87.60, and then we will sell this Bitcoin, and that's our ask right there. You'll see, they have good volume on this cryptocurrency exchange, so it's likely that your order will get filled relatively quickly. It's been about 2 minutes. Is this about to be our moment? Is that order about to hit? It's gone. And just like that, our order is completed and we are credited with US dollars. So seriously, that's how easy it is to go ahead and deposit your Bitcoin and sell it on here. So real quick, let's cover buying and then I'll cover withdrawals. So let's say I wanted to come in here and I wanted to buy Ethereum. Buying crypto is just as easy as selling crypto. So I've got this amount of USD that I now have from selling the Bitcoin, or you could have just transferred this into your account or whatever you want to do. So I could just put in right here 188, and that's what I want to buy Ethereum at. I'm comfortable with that price or whatever you want to determine there. Or you can obviously put in orders and hope and wait for them to hit. Say like you want to buy Ethereum for $150, so you transfer some money in here, and then you go ahead and just sync your order and wait for it to fill. But again, we're not going to get into trading tactics and whatever. So let's just say I wanted to buy it right now. And if you really want to buy it immediately, you can just go on the lowest, the ask for price, and then I can go ahead and put in how much money I have, and it will tell me that basically I will get $61.93 of Ethereum. They have it, per this order size, that my fee is going to be 22 cents. So I could click that, and it would execute the buy order, and then I would boom have that much Ethereum. Again, guys, simple stuff. If you want to transfer this out of the exchange, you can go over here and withdraw from Gemini. You can click USD, and then for here you can do a wire transfer. There's no limit. I can do my max amount there. Click yes, and then I can just click request withdrawal, and just like that, I will have some USD on the way to my bank account. The best part about wire transfers, again, the simple fact that they're free, and also that they execute within 1 business day. One of the other unique things about Gemini is they have what's called a Gemini Custody. Basically, a custody account is you will receive your own blockchain address separate from all of the other Gemini customer funds, secured by their 100% offline, air-gapped, geographically distributed multi-sig hardware-based cold storage system. So this is, a cool option. I'm happy to see this and all that kind of stuff. But personally, if I want to participate in cold storage, I just use my Trezor, and I do all this by myself with this little device, and I don't have to worry about a third party. I'm happy and excited, and I think it's great that they do this. But why am I going to have them do this when I can just do this? And nothing personal. I trust myself more than anyone else. I'll leave it at that. Ultimately, guys, Gemini is a great cryptocurrency exchange. They are good for the ecosystem, and above all, they're fighting the good fight in New York to push cryptocurrency exchanges in the US further. To put it simply, without the huge backstory, is basically New York regulation is insanely tough and difficult, to the point that most cryptocurrencies, actually most international cryptocurrencies, stop dealing with US citizens, period, because of New York legislation and all of the relevant parties involved with that. So I couldn't put it any other way. Like, it's a big deal for US citizens, and you need big companies like this fighting the fight. I could be like, hey, we love Bitcoin and we should be able to trade it. They'd be like, shut up, little dude. To be honest, you need to be a big company and you need a lot of money. Two things I don't have. This video is not some kind of Gemini sponsored ad or anything like that. They didn't pay us $1. We just had a good experience mining with them, and we really think it's a great option for you to buy and sell Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other cryptocurrencies. We're also just simply happy to have them here in the space. And moving forward, we're really excited to see what they can do, what they're going to add, and really just the way their exchange and cryptocurrency as a whole will continue to grow and evolve. Some things that I would like to see on their platform, for example, would be things like adding a platform where you can stake your cryptocurrencies, basically kind of earn interest on it. That's kind of becoming the trend, and we'd like to see more of that. Also, they're one of their biggest competitors, Coinbase, and the Coinbase Earn program, where basically you get rewarded for learning about cryptocurrencies on their site, and you got to take a little quiz, and then they credit you with X amount of cryptocurrency for doing that. We think that that is absolutely fantastic for cryptocurrency because, one, it's an awesome opportunity to just get some free coins. Most people can find a couple spare seconds, minutes here and there, and they can go ahead and participate in this. And not only are you earning some spare extra cash, you are increasing your knowledge of cryptocurrency. And it's so sad how few people truly understand how cryptocurrency works, or even what cryptocurrency is. So I don't care if it's $50 of free coins that get someone interested and has them learn about cryptocurrency, and then hopefully they fall down the rabbit hole and realize that crypto and blockchain technology is freaking awesome and amazing. Okay, that may be what it takes. So I love to see stuff like that. But anyway, to get back to the point, we've always had a good experience with Gemini Exchange. Again, we've said this like 3 times, but the wire transfers, I can't stress this enough. Like, it's not a common thing. Wire transfers, free, in and out of their exchange is a good big deal. I could go on and on. I freaking love cryptocurrency and blockchain technology. And if you do, or you think you may, please subscribe to the VoskCoin YouTube channel. We talk about everything crypto, but a big focus we have is just on earning passive income through cryptocurrency, and really what it's like to be involved with cryptocurrency being a US citizen, because it is a little bit different than basically everywhere else in the world. Sadly, normally it's not good things, but it's hurdles that we can go ahead and get over and get through. So as always, please hit the thumbs up on the video, leave a comment below, let me know your thoughts, and as always, I'll see you on the next one.